and we are from Jabalpur Engineering College, Jabalpur. This is a PowerPoint presentation of HALO, High Altitude Long Operations. What is HALO? HALO provides the user with high-speed internet access. It offers network access services by providing communication platform. The platform provides uplink and downlink transmission, and this is much similar to a satellite except that it is much closer to Earth. History. Two companies are involved in this, both offering different platforms. One is Angel Technologies and the second one is Sky Station Technologies. Angel Technologies flies above the metropolitan areas and provide internet access at a rate of 10 Mbps. The first HALO aircraft was named the Proteus. HALO aircraft. The features of the aircraft are pressurized cabin for two pilots, 52 to 60,000 feet altitude, roll angle stabilized, liquid cooled, 40 kilowatt or higher DC power. The aircraft flies 10 miles above the target area in a 2.5 mile diameter circle. The ground coverage area is up to 75 miles in diameter. The aircraft will take turns, each having a shift of 8 hours. The airplane will link the users to each other as well as to the internet service providers, that is the ISPs. The HALO aircraft will be certified by the FAA, Federal Aviation Administration, for piloted commercial operations.
Now, the operation of HALO. The communication payload of the HALO aircraft is at the apex of wireless super metropolitan area network. It serves as a hub. Now, what is hub? Hub is a hardware device that is used to connect several computers together. So, HALO serves as a hub of a star topology network to route data packets between any two users via a single hop through the HALO payload. The links are the wireless, line of sight, and the broadband. Now, the picture shows how to install the HALO. Users on the ground just need to mount small external antenna outside their home or building. Now, the comparison of HALO with various satellite systems. Now, the comparison of HALO with the terrestrial system. The use of a terrestrial wireless network may be irregular and local, but the HALO network can offer everywhere access and a consistent quality of service. Terrestrial system requires negotiation of routes, rights, fulfillment of local zoning laws, and construction of many terrestrial towers, but the HALO system can be easily and immediately improved in its network performance. Terrestrial system offers broadband service at millimeter wave frequencies, but the HALO network utilizes a frequency reuse pattern cover the service area with hundreds of cells. Now, the comparison of HALO with various satellite systems. Since satellite is very far from the user, hence 10 times less electrical power is available, but the HALO aircraft is 10 to 1000 times closer to the user than a satellite. Satellite systems, which are all or nothing, consumes multi-billion dollars of investment, but the HALO network can be financed one market at a time on a city-by-city basis. Satellites must operate for much of their life with aging components and have only a modest ability to alter their orbits. But the HALO network has a modular design of HALO network permits Angel to routinely upgrade the network elements in pace with innovations emerging from the telecommunications.
Now, these are the different networks according to their distance from the user on the surface of the Earth. The closest to the surface are the terrestrial towers, next is the HALO aircraft, and then comes the satellite system. So you can see that the HALO aircraft, it acts as a tall tower approach which provides you with a better line of sight, and also the huge cost which is involved in the installation of satellites is not there in case of the HALO aircraft. Now, there are three levels of services which are offered by the Angels to its users. The first is for home and small business companies, which offers a speed of 1 to 5 Mbps. This is generally low-cost internet service. The next is for larger business companies using dial-up or dedicated connection, which offers a speed of 5 to 12.5 Mbps. The next is for larger business companies which have a speed of up to 25 Mbps. This way, they can easily connect to their customers, to their field locations, etc. in very less time and comparatively less cost. Now, there are many merits which are offered by the Halo network. The first of all is its ease of installation. Now you can easily see here that you only have to buy this antenna from the purchaser and you can install it outside your office building or house building. This can be done very easily and in a comparatively shorter span of time. The next advantage is its flexible system architecture. The Halo network, it can be easily spread to sites in which its demand is there, and this can be done in a comparatively less amount of time, which is usually 2 weeks. So its operation continues and starts within 2 weeks. The next is its secure and reliable information transaction. The Halo network, it is not obstructed by any kind of weather conditions or maybe trees, foliage, etc., which is not there in other networks which are available. And the last is the design of the Halo aircraft. The design of the Halo aircraft is such that it provides you a greater reliability as compared to the other jet aircraft, and also its design is a modular design. So whatever technologies arise and whatever developments have been made, the Halo aircraft can be routinely upgraded, and it guarantees that you'll always get the latest technologies which are available. So you can see that there are a variety of and endless advantages which are offered by the Halo network, and also the Angel Technologies in collaboration with the Raytheon have set up a world record speed of 52 Mbps. So a 1 lakh page document can be easily sent in 16 seconds, whereas in any other conventional system this would take you about 7 hours. This was our presentation on the Halo. Thank you.